everyone. Welcome back. This is Ritika. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will show you how to contour, blush and highlight to your face. Alright, so why do we contour? We do contour to add dimension to the face by using makeup that is slightly darker than your actual skin color. It also gives the perfect shape and also makes our face look slimmer. So let's start. First I'll use contour stick from Mars. I will draw this kind of a line to both the sides. For nose, the closer you draw the line, the more narrower your nose is gonna look. I will apply some on my jawline to make it look slimmer. Starting below the ear on one side, move around the square of our jaw, working down to the chin. Repeat same on the other side as well. Now take a brush and drag it to upwards direction. We must know that different face shapes need different contouring. Some will need more highlight while others will need more contouring to help create the shape of you after. So basically we have 6 kind of shapes, and these are heart, oblong, oval, square, triangular and round. I'm trying again and again, but I think my brush is not helping me. I need to use my beauty blender to blend this out. Whether it is cheekbones or jawline, do not forget to blend it well. For my nose, as I cannot use this beauty blender, so I'm using my fingers to blend it. Contouring gives shape to the face, makes nose narrow, raises cheekbones and reduces the forehead with just a brush stroke or blend. Now I will apply highlighter on my cheekbones and will blend it with my fingers. I prefer using my fingers to blend the product more often. I will also apply highlighter on my nose to highlight it. Little product I will apply on my cupid's bow. Some I will apply on center of my chin. Be sure to really blend out the highlighter in this area. to ensure it appears naturally. Some for C-section of my face. Just make sure you blend it really well. If blending is perfect, you are gonna look perfect. Now I will apply cheek tint. It really gives a natural pink shade. It makes your complexion look healthier and make your skin look more youthful. Cheek tint adds the glow that bronzer and highlighter just can't mimic. I'm doing same to the other side. Alright, we are done. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this look. And if you are new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a new video soon. You'll also find my social media links in case you wanna follow me. So, I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.
Thinking of you, thinking of you.